Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily manage your Google Chrome account settings right from your phone. First, open the Google app or the Chrome browser on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. This is where all your Chrome account settings are located. Here, you'll see options like history and tabs, bookmarks, reading list, addresses, passwords, and payment methods. You can turn sync on or off for any of these based on your preference. Scrolling down, you'll find Manage Your Google Account and Manage Accounts on this device. From here, you can control everything related to your Google account. Finally, you'll reach the Sign into Chrome page. Simply tap Continue to sign in and sync your data. And that's how easily you can manage your Google Chrome account settings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.